Hello viewers, I hope you guys are doing good during this lockdown and all are safe and well. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. Subscribe to my further videos. This is my first video where I'll be talking about how to trade, how the day has been for the stock market, what all I have traded, how has Nifty been performing for the last 3 months, and what will be the view for tomorrow for Nifty. As we can see here, Nifty has opened with a gap up and further traced and went down below yesterday's low and closed. Further looking at how has Nifty been performing for the last 3 months, we will look at this. I will show you in a while. Let's see, Nifty has touched the high at 12,430 on 20th January. After that it has been falling and falling and falling, and then finally it broke below any lows that it had made and then touched the low and again retraced to 30th April at a high of 9,889. Now we can see that Nifty has been falling for the last 3 days. This is a daily candle for Nifty. Now when we see and trace on the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that Nifty has exactly stopped at the 50% retracement mark. Here I have plotted the 50% retracement. You can observe that Nifty has exactly stopped to go up, stopped its trend to move up in the same direction at the 50% mark, and now it is standing almost at the 38% mark. Now Reliance opened with a gap up. I saw that it was consolidating, so I did not enter it at the current moment. Looking at price action is very important, so I chose to not take a decision right when it was consolidating. I waited and with patience. As it broke out of the opening range, I monitored it still to see if the price was still going higher and higher. I bought it at around 63 and then sold and rode the whole rally towards 69.5. That's when I thought it was getting undecisive for me. I didn't want to be uncertain and lose my profits, so I sold it at 69.5. That's where I booked my profits, clear 6-point profit here. Next, looking at for tomorrow's market, we can see that over here we can see that the SPX, the Nasdaq, Dow Jones are all 2% up. This gives me a clear idea that tomorrow, in accordance with the world market, India might go up as well. Let's look at the chart of Nifty and the daily chart and 1-hour charts. Let's see what they're saying to us, because charts never lie. We can always trace the trades to the technicals and why things happened and why not. Looking at this, Nifty also stands at around the level of 38% retracement levels. Looking at the hourly chart and the daily chart of Nifty, we can observe that Nifty has been performing not so well, but in the short term, that is tomorrow, what might happen with Nifty, let's discuss. Let me know in the comments what you think of this analysis, whether it's relevant, and what have you learned. Let's trade and learn together. Using the Fibonacci retracement, as we charted out the 50% retracement, we can see that the 50% was very much exact on point, and it was beautiful to watch it. As you can see here, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Nikkei are all 2% high, and India usually performs in accordance to the world market, so let's stay that the Nifty. So my view on Nifty is positive for tomorrow. It can go around 9,300, 9,340 levels. That's it for today. Let me know what you have learned and what stocks you've been picking for so far and what stocks you want me to analyze next. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you. Trade and learn.